2016 LT rear-wheel drive, changing the back brakes. This is a 5.3 V8 with the flex fuel. First I do is put all the blocks on, make sure the tires are secure. I open the hood to open the brake fluid. I make sure all the brakes, all the stands are in place. Stand there, brakes there, brakes there, brakes there. Make sure everything nice and secure. Then I take off all the lug nuts. Some of these require a lock. This has a lock on it. I'm using a impact gun with a 19mm socket. There's tools you need. You need a C-clamp, vice grip, a crescent wrench, flathead screwdriver, ratchet with a 1/2-inch socket, maybe a breaker bar in case it gets tight. I just took off all the lug nuts. All lug nuts are off. These kind of rims, because it has so many universal holes, I like to get a little white marker. Like one of these. I like to mark the inside where the studs are, so when I put it back on, I don't gotta be fighting. I'm trying to figure out which hole goes. Kind of like that, not too crazy. I mean, it does have a cover. You can always take it off, I guess, if you need to. After all the studs are off, lift this bad boy off. And it looks like I forgot one, which is right here in the bottom. All right. Bad boy side. Sometimes people put the rim underneath the truck. Now I grab that same white marker, because here you're gonna be taking this bolt off here. Well, no, you're gonna loosen this one and take the bottom one off.